Welcome to Craft with Buvi. Today we are going to make a Christmas tree. Okay, let's start. First we need 5 sticks cutted and one brown stick without cutted. And we need to paste those small and big sticks in the long stick which is the brown. First we need to paste some glue in it. Decorating is your own choice. Don't you know? Nothing that you need to decorate like this video. You can decorate on your own. This is my own decorating idea. Okay, we had pasted those sticks. Now we need to paste the big star on the top. And every stick that we pasted, we need to 5, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like we need to make a dots using the Fevicol. Okay, now stick the thermocol balls where that we made the dots. These are my own colors. Alright, now this is the chain, the rock chain. The rock chain.
Okay, now we had finished Christmas.
Okay, now the Christmas tree is ready. Now bye. See you later. Merry Christmas to all. Thanks for watching.